Hello my friends, it's Odette. Welcome to today's video, and I hope you guys are all home and safe and trying to take care of yourself. I know it's a very terrible time we're living in, but you know what though, the bottom line is there is nothing we can do about it. We just have to take it one step at a time, one day at a time, and work with what we've got in our surroundings. There's just not much we can do. So I tend to go out late evenings just around the block, because where I live we do have a huge park and the park is just basically empty. So I take a good maybe 10-15 minutes walk around just to get my exercise. There is just nobody around. Even if there is somebody around, they are at a distance, and I think that's what you really have to do. This is our new normal for now, but like I said, we just have to find ways to be creative. And I do have a hallway closet, and I went through that closet last night. I went to bed maybe about 3 o'clock in the morning. I took everything out from that closet. I cleaned from top to bottom, sanitized that whole place, used the Dettol wipes, and it's nice and clean. I threw out some coats, threw out some shoes. I found a duvet that I've never actually used. It was a twin. We have a king size bed, and I thought, why did I ever have this? The package was never opened, so I thought, you know what? It's just gonna go in the garbage. Anyway, so today's video, there is no theme for today's video. I'm just gonna show you guys a few things I got from Mellow Cosmetics. So I posted a picture with a pink makeup look, and a lot of you guys love that photo. And so Mellow Cosmetics DM'd me and said to please contact us. And they wanted me to be part of the affiliate for their business, which I'm really happy that I am. The affiliate link is going to be below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up one or two things. And you know, sometimes when you know, first of all, I don't really post things on my Instagram or any one of my social media just for attention, but it's always nice when people recognize your work and compliment you and things that you do and love your pages and, you know, love your posts and stuff like that. And I was really happy to hear from them, and they did offer me the affiliate link. I did purchase these things myself, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. And again, the affiliate link is going to be below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on a couple of things. There might be a, I think it's a discount there when you do that, and there's a small commission that's going to be coming to me if you are interested. This is not something I'm pushing. Obviously, when you are doing these things and it's on your YouTube channel, you have to be very honest with what you are doing. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this glitter chrome shadow. I'm going to show you guys the packaging up close, and then I'm going to show you guys the product. The packaging is quite nice, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a vegan brand. Unfortunately, I did not do my research before I came on air. I should have done that. And I do love the packaging, and of course it's let me just see quickly. I think these products has no parabens, no dyes and stuff like that. And so we're just going to show you what this one looks like. This is the eyeshadow, and the packaging is just so cute. I love the rose gold detail that's happening here. This is, it is called rose gold. Yeah, figure that. It is quite pretty, and I do love the packaging. And again, it says Mellow on top. Very nice. I'm going to be doing my makeup using these products for you guys. Very nice. Again, the packaging is quite nice. And I'm just going to open this up for a minute. This is what the actual product looks like. You guys will see a video of this. And let me just see quickly the pigmentation. Ooh. The pigments is quite nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just dip my hands in a little bit more. It feels almost creamy. I'm one of those people, I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. I don't like to do swatches on my hand because I know it comes off a little bit different when you put it on your face. But let me just grab a brush here. Let me just see if I can find probably a small one. I love the rose gold color. And it feels really soft and creamy. Let me put this on my lid. Oh wow, that is very nice. Do you see that? Nice and glittery. And to me, this is very easy to work with. Oh my god. That is really nice. I don't have any eyeshadow products on my eyes, but I'm just testing this out for you guys right now. Isn't that pretty? That is really nice. Rose gold. I love the shade. And I'm just going to bring it up a little bit in my hood of my eyes. Just about there. This is a beautiful color. Let me just bring some just down to the corner of my eyes as well. You bring that down there. Very, very pretty. I like this color. I don't have any transition on right now, but the color is very nice. Love it. Ooh, wow. I'm going to link everything below for you guys, and it's called Rose Gold, and this is from the Mellow Cosmetics. Ooh, very pretty. This one here is the powder blush. I'm really liking this eyeshadow. It's very easy to work with. I know I bought one of my eyeshadow palettes from, that was the Intergalactic one from Lorac. The colors were so hard to work with. And this is the blush, and it's a powder blush, and let me just see if the name is to the back, and it's called Peach. And again, I'm just going to do a little test for you guys. I'm hardly wearing any makeup on my face. It's just the pressed powder from Collections. That's all I've got on right now because it's just a stay-at-home video really. So this is the rose gold. No, I'm sorry. This is the peach blush from the Mellow Cosmetics brand. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to be using all of these products properly for you guys. Could you see that? Normally I don't wear my blushes very bright on my face, but I don't mind going in heavy with this one. This is very pretty. It reminds me of the blush I got from Shein. Very nice. Wow, I am very impressed. Again, this is called Peach, and this is from Mellow Cosmetics. This is the brow pomade from them as well. Let's just open that. The packaging of these things are quite nice, and the actual product itself in the package is really sweet. Now look at that. That is just so awesome. I hope you guys are seeing this up close. This is the brow pomade, and the color of this I'm going to link below for you guys because it's just so small to the bottom. The packaging is quite cute. I absolutely love this. Very nice. Very nice. So let's just open this up. Again, this is the brow pomade. And let's just see what we can do here. There we go. Very nice. Let me just get a little brush. Let me just see what it... Ooh! Wow. Impressed. Very impressive. This is very nice. I'm wearing something else on my eyes, on my eyebrows right now, but this one is nice and creamy. This reminds me of the eyeshadow cream from Inglot. Very nice. I like that. Wow, this is really cute. And I think you guys are going to like this as well. Again, I'm going to link everything below for you guys. Everything is going to be below. I love the blush and the eyeshadow. It's really, really cute. Now this one is the... what is this one? This is an eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner. So we're just going to pop this baby open. And it has a brush to the side as well. And of course the packaging is quite cute. And I love the black and gold detail that's happening right there. Very, very, very nice. And I am impressed so far with the packaging. And this is, this is the eyeliner right here. Wow. Really, really cute. And again, we are going to test this out right now. Let me just find my little brush right here. And we are just going to test this out. Very nice. Nice and soft. Let's just do the other one to make it nice and even. Wow, I am so impressed with these products, and I'm definitely going to purchase more. And again, just to the side of the packaging, there's a little brush right there, so you can take that out and use that to apply your eyeliner. It's quite nice. Impressed so far with these, and I've got 2 lipsticks from them, and this one is called Nude, and the other one is called I think it's called Madness. And again, I'm just showing you guys the packaging first, and then you're going to see the actual product. And the product, oh my god, the packaging is so nice. The packaging is nice, beautiful bullet lipstick. Very, very pretty. And let me just open up the other one to show you guys. They're really, really nice. I'm so impressed so far. Thank you so much, Mellow, for reaching out to me. Thank you so much. So the 2 lipsticks are here. Again, this one is called, I think it's called, let me just see quickly. It's called Madness, and this one is called Nude. Okay. And for Nude, let me do a little swatch on my hand. There we go. Nude is right there. You guys can see that. Okay. And the other one is called Madness, which is a little bit, oh my god, it's a little bit more red. Holy smoke. Ah, that is impressive. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be doing my makeup using these products for you guys. And last but not least, I do have the Stardust Glow Palette right here. Again, beautiful, cute packaging. Very, very, very nice. Nice and glowy. They do have a sort of a rose gold detail happening. And when you open this up, of course, there's a mirror. So you do have, I think this is your contour right there. And you've got some blushes in here as well. The palette is quite pretty, and the names are actually on here. They're very, very, very nice products. Beautiful. From Mellow, you have Nova, Luna, Sigma, and Antress, I think it is. Very nice. It's called the Stardust Glow Palette, and this is the medium dark shades. They've got different shades online. I'm going to leave the website for you guys in the description box, just in case you want to pick up anything. The prices will be down below for you guys as well. And of course, you've got a beautiful big mirror right there. So far, I'm really happy with the products I did select from their website. Again, thank you, Mellow, for reaching out to me. And I'm going to leave the affiliate link in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to click on that and get a couple of things. But so far, so good. I love everything that I've got. And yeah, quite nice. I'm not really wearing any makeup and base and all of that on my face today because it's just I'm home. I'm not really doing anything much. It's just a show and tell video for you guys from Mellow Cosmetics, and I'm so impressed so far. The cheeks and the eyes, and of course I don't have any transitions on my face. It looks a little off, but I love the color. It's very, very pretty. So thank you guys so much for spending this time with me today. I am home today just like many of you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorites are, and everything is going to be linked below for you guys. Have a fabulous day. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.